dollar index and again showed a good swing. And last week I told you that till the time it trades within this channel, you have to be cautious and you have to be wary of the swings. It failed to break, it failed to achieve 1.22 levels, which is definitely a very strong support, and in fact it failed to sustain above 1.04 levels, which is a good resistance. However, it has closed the weekly candle in green. So now what to expect? Should you consider this as a reversal, or is it just a retracement and it is again going to drop? And if yes, which position you should take in order to profit? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. First charts followed with indicators. Towards the end I will give you the trading levels and strategy for next week. Do watch till the end, listen to it carefully, note down the levels and trade as per the. And yes, do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon which keeps you updated with daily analysis for major global markets and commodities. Let's start. Now see on the weekly charts, you have seen this. It is trying to trade in this bearish channel. Lower highs, lower lows are seen. It failed to till the time it stays below 1.05, 1.055 levels. You should not consider this for a reversal. This is very clear. Once again, this has been proven that it is still giving you lower highs, which means it is still in the bearish channel and it can again reverse from here. Now look at the movement for the last two. The complete level is comprised of this swing and hence the pivot is here at 1.033 levels, which you should watch out for. Yes, it is closed at 1.036, but then I will wait for it to breach below 1.033, because if it stays below 1.033, we may see it reversing again, and this time we may see a good drop if it continues to trade on the downside. We may see it in fact breaking 1.02 levels, but then now see three green candles, a smaller diminishing body size increasing, indicates that the bullishness is trying to diminish, and the tail on the downside increase, bigger tail on the downside increase, that there was an upward pressure towards the end of the week, and hence this is should be traded with caution here. Second, once you see it trading below 1.038 levels, you can again buy for 1.042 and 1.044. Once it trades beyond 1.044, you can expect that we may see it hitting 1.05 and 1.054 levels. These levels are certainly a good resistance zone, and this is only applicable if it sustains above 1.04, 1.044 zone. Then only we can consider that it is trying to fly high. Now this is on the weekly charts. Another observation on the weekly charts, that once it is stayed below, I have told you several times, then in near future I see dollar index dropping till towards 98 and in fact 96 or 0.98 or 0.96 levels, and thus yes, it is trying to retrace but should not be still considered as bullish. Now let's have a look at the daily. Now see on the daily charts, couple of green candles, then swing and higher highs. Now if you look at, still it has achieved higher highs, but there were lower lows also, and once it trades below 1.033 and 1.03 levels, we can expect that we may see a drop till towards 1.02. Remember, you can see multiple candles getting the support from 1.02 levels or the resistance level. Now it is going to remain a good support, and only below 1.02 you can consider that there is going to be bearish. Now look at the last four candles. See, the highs and lows are very well connected, and that is also makes 1.033 level as a good level for you to short and sell and expect 1.03 and then further lower levels here. At the same time, till the time it trades between this channel, we may see if it breaks past 1.038, you can expect 1.04, 1.042, 1.045 and then 1.05 levels. Also on the upside, it can complete its journey till here before it tries to reverse from here. That is another observation. Now let's have a look at the on the monthly charts. I have told you that, see, dollar basket, dollar index is trading within this channel since 2006, 2007, almost 15 years. Since last 15 years it has been trading within this channel. Now see, the highs and lows are very well aligned here, achieving the highs, achieving the lows, and this is almost third time it has achieved the bottom earlier. Now achieving the highs, what is the next move? It is trying to still get the support at around 1 levels, and below that certainly more bearishness will be seen. Or so far on the monthly charts, it appears it has completed the symmetrical journey till here despite giving a breach here. See the closure of these four candles almost at the same levels, 1.02 or 102 levels, very strong support. This time it has given lower lows, which also has opened a room that it can try to trade bearish again next month, where we may see it achieving further lows till towards 98, 96 or 0.98, 0.96 level. Also, if you look at the last few candles, lower highs, lower lows, it is still trading bearish until and unless we see it trading above 1.06, 1.055 or 105.5 and 106 level. Until and unless it breaches beyond these levels, should not be considered this for a reversal. That is another observation here. Now see, we have seen the daily, weekly and monthly charts. Let's have a look with the help of indicators. What are the indicators are suggesting here? And one can see so far the 20, 50 and 100 period moving average on the daily charts were trading with divergence, and this was also trading below the 20 period moving average. Now you can see after long, now 20 and 50 period moving average are trying to cross over, which means till the time it trades above 1.02 or 102 levels, certainly should not be considered that it is bearish, because this crossover is significant here. Probably it may try to trade bullish, but then look at the width of the Bollinger Bands. Also, this is trading on the top half of the Bollinger Bands. It can try to stretch a bit on the downside. That is the first observation on the charts here. Now look at the directional movement. This is traded. This is crossed over for a bullish move. This is trading bullish. Stochastic is at highs. The MACD is in green, trading with little time, and it is still looking upwards. Possibly it can try to sustain these levels for a little while, and the RSI is also near to the high levels, near to the peak here. Now look at the week. On the weekly charts, the 20 and 50 period moving averages are seen crossing here for a sell entry. That is the first part. Now if you look, this is a bearish indication, as the 20 and 50 months average are certainly an important aspect that which may keep the prices bearish for a little while. Now look at the directional movement. Here is already bearish. It is trying to converge. The stochastic, which has gone oversold on the monthly charts, has recovered. This is on the week. So on the weekly charts, stochastic has recovered a bit and it has come to comfortable levels. So in fact, on the weekly charts, this crossover is again significant. Now see the MACD. Now see, MACD on the weekly charts, after staying bullish, it has completed the journey till here. Now it is trying to reverse again, crossover for a bullish move. Probably it can try to stay bullish for a little while before it tries to reverse again. Now this is a contrary observation from what we have seen from other indicators on other time frames. This is a little bit of contradictory, and this indicates there is still bullishness. It can continue to trade bullish for a little while if it crosses over on the upside. RSI trying to look upwards. It has consolidated and reversed a bit. Now look at the monthly. On the monthly charts, it is precisely at the 20 above the almost at the 20 months average, which is at around 103, 102 levels, and below that certainly 95, 96 zone is going to get the maximum support. Now see, directional movement is bullish, trying to converge here. Stochastic has gone oversold, and possibly on the monthly charts it may call for a little recovery. But remember, if it can sustain overbought levels for a little while, it can sustain oversold levels also for a little while. Now look at the MACD on the monthly chart. Now MACD on the monthly charts, interestingly, is trying to cross over for a sell, and this crossover is happening after long time. After a couple of years, this crossover is seen happening here. And see, when did this last time happen was in 2015-16. After that, it has traded bearish for a little while. Same thing, we can expect that it may try to do or replicate the same thing. You can see this crossover has happened here. Since then, it has eroded its wealth and went below 90 or 0.9 levels, and the same can be replicated here. So though on the weekly charts it appears that it may try to cross over for a little buy entry for next couple of weeks, however largely we can expect in next few months the dollar price index might try to cool down, might try to moderate, might try to drop a little bit on the downside. So this is what we can see and infer from the charts and from the indicators. Time for me to give you the trading levels and strategy for next. Now see, one thing is very clear, it is giving you lower highs, lower lows. This is still trying to trade bearish. Second thing is, yes, when you know that it is trading in a zone where the direction can be reversed any point of time, you should trade with a stop loss or a trailing stop loss. And yes, point number 3 is, if you want to learn this art of trading anything and everything with the strategies where you can take a right entries and right exits at the right time, you should join my 20th batch. Starts first week of March. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Also, you can be part of my signal group for major global markets and commodities. Now, next week you can buy if you see it trading above, or let me put it in 100 terms, 103.88. Once you see it trading below, rather I will say 103.80 itself, you can buy here, and then one can expect 104, 104.2 now, and then 104.5, very nearby. But these again is a very good resistance zone. You should stay cautious till 104.5 levels. Beyond 104.5 it is directly going to hit 105 and then 105.5, and if it breaks past this, certainly more bullishness might take it till towards 106 levels, which is a very good resistance. 105.5 and 106, very strong resistance level on the upside. Now on the down, you can sell at 103.3, but then expect 103, 102.4 and 102. Only and only if it breaks below 102, you can consider this as bearish. Till the time it trades above 102 levels, do not consider this as bearish at all, and it can bounce back, it can revive again on the upside. Below 102, it will call further bearish, it will call for the bears out there, and we can see it dropping till towards 100 very soon in quick time. Maybe it may take a few sessions for it to drop till towards there. 102 certainly is a very good support. Below that, certainly little more bearishness will definitely be seen. Take your trades accordingly. Trade with the stop loss, trade with the trailing stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading week ahead. Thank you.